The Rolls-Royce Silver Spirit is a classic luxury sedan that epitomizes British elegance and engineering excellence. Produced from 1980 to 1998, the Silver Spirit was the flagship model of Rolls-Royce during its era, offering unparalleled comfort, refinement, and prestige. The Silver Spirit Emperor, a rare and highly sought-after variant, represents the pinnacle of this model line, often featuring extended wheelbases, bespoke customization, and exclusive design elements that cater to the most discerning clientele. In 2025, the Silver Spirit Emperor remains a symbol of timeless luxury, cherished by collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate its handcrafted details, whisper-quiet ride, and stately presence. Under the hood, the Silver Spirit Emperor typically houses a robust 6.75-liter V8 engine, a hallmark of Rolls-Royce engineering known for its smooth, effortless power delivery. Paired with a refined automatic transmission, the car glides effortlessly, embodying the brand's famous waftability, a term used to describe its serene, cloud-like driving experience. The suspension, tuned for maximum comfort, absorbs road imperfections with ease, ensuring that passengers are insulated from the outside world in a cocoon of opulence. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, featuring the finest Connolly leather, rich wood veneers, and wool carpets, all meticulously assembled by skilled artisans. In 2025, the Silver Spirit Emperor continues to turn heads, not just for its imposing grille and iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, but also for its rarity and historical significance. Many examples have been preserved in pristine condition or restored to their original glory, with some even undergoing modern upgrades such as updated infotainment systems or enhanced climate control while retaining their classic charm. YouTube channels dedicated to luxury and vintage cars often feature the Silver Spirit Emperor in detailed reviews, showcasing its grandeur through high-definition walkarounds, driving impressions, and historical retrospectives. These videos highlight the car's commanding road presence, its whisper-quiet cabin, and the sheer pleasure of experiencing a vehicle designed for royalty and heads of state. For collectors, owning a Silver Spirit Emperor in 2025 is more than just possessing a car, it's a statement of appreciation for automotive heritage. Unlike modern luxury sedans laden with digital screens and driver-assist technologies, the Silver Spirit Emperor offers a pure, analog experience, where every switch, knob, and surface exudes quality. The absence of excessive electronics also means that well-maintained examples remain relatively reliable and easier to restore compared to more complex contemporary vehicles. Enthusiasts often share their ownership experiences on YouTube, documenting long-distance journeys, restoration projects, and meetups at prestigious classic car events. The legacy of the Rolls-Royce Silver Spirit Emperor endures because it represents a bygone era of motoring, where luxury was defined by craftsmanship rather than technology. In a world increasingly dominated by electric vehicles and autonomous driving, the Silver Spirit Emperor stands as a reminder of the artistry and attention to detail that once defined the automotive elite. Whether viewed in a curated YouTube review or admired in person at a concours d'Elegance, this majestic sedan continues to captivate, proving that true luxury is timeless.